The Nikon Z90 is an anticipated APS-C mirrorless camera that aims to deliver professional-grade features in a compact form. While Nikon has not officially announced the Z90, various rumors and leaks suggest the following specifications and features. Sensor and image quality. 33-megapixel DX format stacked CMOS sensor, rumored. This is a stacked sensor, meaning it allows faster data readouts, reduces rolling shutter, and delivers better dynamic range. Expected to bring image quality close to full-frame cameras in good lighting conditions. Build and design. Magnesium alloy body. Rugged and tank-like construction. Full weather sealing. Designed to handle dust, rain, and snow. Deep grip design. Ideal for sports and wildlife shooters using heavy telephoto lenses. High-resolution tilting touchscreen. Easier for composing shots from various angles. Performance and speed. 20 FPS continuous shooting. Perfect for action, sports, and wildlife. Massive buffer capacity. Can shoot up to 1,000 raw images in a single burst. Latest Nikon X processor. Enhances speed, image processing, and noise control. Nikon Z90. Rumored specifications and features. Sensor and image quality. 33MP APS-C DX format CMOS sensor. Expected to offer high-resolution images suitable for detail photography. Autofocus system. Based on Nikon's flagship Z9 autofocus system. Eye detection AF for portraits. Animal detection AF for wildlife. Vehicle tracking for motorsports and action. Designed to lock on its subjects and never let go. Video capabilities. 4K at 60 FPS with full sensor oversampling. Possibly 6K video recording. 6 stops of in-body image stabilization, IBIS. Helps reduce the need for gimbals, enabling smooth handheld video. Ideal for vloggers, hybrid shooters, and filmmakers. Storage and connectivity. Dual card slots. CF Express for speed. SD card for versatility. Voice note recording. Useful for quick metadata or tagging while shooting. Advanced wireless options. Likely includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for fast sharing and remote control. Stacked sensor design. This architecture allows for faster data readouts, reducing rolling shutter effects and enhancing dynamic range. Performance and speed. Continuous shooting, up to 15 frames per second, FPS, with a mechanical shutter. Buffer capacity. Capable of capturing up to 1,000 raw images in a single burst, minimizing the risk of missing critical moments. Autofocus system. Advanced autofocus, AF, incorporates subject detection and tracking capabilities, including eye, animal, and vehicle detection, similar to those found in Nikon's flagship models. AI-driven algorithms. Enhances focus accuracy and speed, particularly beneficial for action and wildlife photography. Video capabilities. 4K video recording. Supports 4K at 60 frames per second FPS with full sensor oversampling, ensuring high-quality footage. Full HD slow motion. Offers full HD recording at 120 frames per second with potential for 180 frames per second, allowing for detailed slow motion videos. In-body image stabilization. IBIS provides up to 6 stops of stabilization, facilitating smoother handheld video recording. Digital camera world. Build and design. Magnesium alloy body. Ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. Weather sealing. Designed to withstand various environmental conditions, including dust, rain, and snow. Ergonomic grip. Deep grip design caters to comfortable handling, especially beneficial when using telephoto lenses. 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen. High-resolution display for intuitive control and flexible shooting angles. Storage and connectivity. Dual card slots. CF Express Type B for high-speed data transfer. SD card slot. Offers versatility and widespread compatibility. Advanced wireless options. Includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity and remote control functionality. Voice note recording. Facilitates easy organization and annotation of images. Power and battery. Battery life. While specific details are unconfirmed, the Z90 is expected to support extended shooting sessions, potentially with options for battery grips or enhanced energy-saving modes. Target audience. The Nikon Z90 is poised to appeal to sports and wildlife photographers seeking high-speed performance and reliable autofocus, videographers and content creators requiring high-quality video capabilities in a compact form, enthusiasts and professionals looking for a durable, high-performance APS-C camera with advanced features. Expected price and release date. Price estimated to be in the range of $1,800 to $2,200, positioning it competitively within the high-end APS-C market. Release date. While no official date has been announced, speculation suggests a potential release in late 2024 or early 2025. Conclusion. The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be a game-changing APS-C mirrorless camera, borrowing powerful features from the flagship Z9. With a stacked sensor, massive buffer, pro-level autofocus, and advanced video capabilities, it's targeting creators who want speed, durability, and performance without jumping to full frame.